In honor of the new season of Bobby's Triple Threat, here is one of my secret weapon recipes. I'm making Scallops Piccata. So I have some scallops here. They're nice and dry. You definitely want to get all of that excess moisture off of the scallops so that they get a nice, beautiful golden crust on the outside. Taking some kosher salt, some black pepper here. I'm gonna take a little neutral oil, this is canola oil, and I'm gonna go season side down and then we can season the other side. You wanna make sure you get that sizzle in there. That'll not only help with that beautiful crust that you wanna get on the scallop, but it's also gonna help it not stick to the pan. And then of course, because I only seasoned one side, I have to go back and season the other side. We don't want to really cook them all the way through. We still want the center of them to be slightly translucent. I'm going to get a nice hard dark sear on one side, and then I'm going to flip them over, add a little bit of butter, baste them, and they're ready to go. And all of this delicious browning that's left on the base of the pan, we're not going to waste that. I'm going to incorporate that into the sauce. So I'm going to get these out and sit them on a plate while we make our sauce. I'm gonna add actually this other piece of butter here, cool the pan down slightly, and then I have some minced shallots. I'm actually gonna add some anchovy, a little secret flavor enhancer here. I've got some chopped Fresno chilies, and then I'm gonna add some instant flour. Instant flour is a flour that has already been cooked and then dehydrated, and it doesn't clump up, and we don't need it to cook out for a long period of time. White wine, I'm gonna deglaze this before it starts burning. Make sure I get all that goodness off the base of the pan. I'm gonna reduce that white wine until all the alcohol is gone, and you can see immediately because of that flour, that sauce is already thickening. And then I've got some capers here, and then I'm using Meyer lemon. Meyer lemon tends to be slightly less acidic, a little bit more floral. There's a little bit of sweetness to it, which I love. I'm gonna put a little bit of parsley in here, a little bit of chives, a little bit more butter. And then I'm gonna reserve a little bit of this sauce to put over the top of the scallops. Cooked spaghetti, it's al dente. I'm gonna take just like a portion out, and of course I've got some pasta water reserved to loosen this sauce up and bring it all together. Create a little bed for these scallops to put on top. You could serve this family style 100%. Some chives and some chopped Italian parsley. And of course, don't forget we have this reserved sauce. Oh my goodness. Yum. Doesn't even need the pasta, but I like an excuse to use the rest of that sauce on a noodle. Delish. Yum.